Thank you. Oh, just what I ordered, sausage pizza.
Here?
Oh, that looks so good. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
This is not what I asked for!
Oh,
Oh, that's...
Here.
Thank you, honey. Did Uncle Rocky make this?
No.
Oh.
why?
Here, bring that back and get me the right thing.
Mine is good. Thank you very much.
I'm just scared.
Oh, thank you. She's writing. She was looking. She's like, why did she order?
She's like, that is too much you ordered.
Where'd she go?
She's checking.
What do you like to eat?
Restart.
What do you like to eat?
A hamburger.
And what do you like to eat?
Chicken parm.
And what do you like to eat?
Me? Little girl's named Viviana.
No, you wouldn't eat food.
Oh. Hot dogs.
Yeah. And what do you like to eat?
Oh, me again? SpaghettiOs.
And you like to eat. What you like to eat is the same.
Can I have a turkey club?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what you like to eat? What you like
Oh.
to eat?
Baby food.
Okay. Okay.
No, you want to bring that with you?
To memorize, this is really good.
Here.
The baby first. Oh.
Thank you.
It's in 1 minute. It's in 1 minute, my Chester is.